Good morning, guys. It's a very beautiful morning. It's on Wednesday, the 29th of April 2026. This is what we are looking at yesterday. Let's do a quick recap. See how the trade went today, yesterday. So, this is what we are looking at. You are looking for buys above this level. Let me zoom in for you to see. You are looking for buys, potential buys above this level. We never got a buy. The potential sales, we are looking for potential sales below this level. As we were finishing this trade, this analysis, this candle was all the way down here. So remember, guys, we always say, don't chase the market. Don't chase the market. If you don't get an entry, don't force a trade. So this is where I was expecting the market to come and retest. And since it was already gone, it was already at our TP1, almost hitting our TP2 here. I didn't see the need to, because the market was all the way down here. If I were to enter here, then that would be chasing the candles, and I don't like it. You see here, there's a lot of the indecision here. How many dodges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dodges. Those dodges mean that the buyers and sellers were almost at equilibrium here. Then here, the sellers overcame the buyers. You see, the sellers came in, pushed the market down, close below this doge here. You can see this one here, this level here. Then this would have been an entry, but I didn't like how far it had gone. The market had gone. I didn't like this entry here, because you could enter here and the market decides to push back, reverse, retrace back to this level, then continue downwards. So I didn't like that entry there, so I didn't take a trade yesterday. But I know some people made some good money yesterday. If you took the trade from here after this breakout, when the candle closed here, you could have entered here, but I didn't get the entry here myself, so I didn't take the trade yesterday. So real quick, let's look at our calendars today. What are we expecting? Today is Wednesday. Anything on the dollar? There's a holiday on the Japanese yen. If you're trading JPY, watch out for low volatility, market manipulations. Any currency with a JPY, today is a holiday. And anything on the USD, any high impact news on the USD? 445, the Canadian dollar, nothing. USD at 9 p.m. We have the FOMC today, and this one I'm sure it will provide some volatility in the market. So if you're in the market by 9 p.m., watch out. Lock in your profits. Move your stop loss to break even, or lock in your profits, or just close the entire trade, close the entire position, wait for the volatility to settle, then you can pick an entry. It will be at 9 p.m. either way. So if you don't know how to trade the fundamentals, just stay out of the market. You don't have to lose your hard-earned capital chasing the market. Okay, so real quick, let's remove the 20 drawings, start afresh. We start afresh from the monthly. We have our monthly resistance here. The monthly resistance has not changed. The monthly support, yeah. Jump down to weekly. On the weekly, we have our weekly support here. The resistance is still up here. Jump down to the daily. On the daily now here, it gets a bit. There was a break of structure here, a break of structure here. That was the last break of structure we had. Then there was a the break of structure here. See that market came up, block structure here. So we have a support resistance up there, our support down here. Okay, jump down to the 4 hours. On the 4 hours, this is what we have. Mhm. On the 4 hours is what you're looking at. We have our resistance down here and our support up here. Our support down here and our resistance up here. Let's use the bodies. We're going to use the bodies there. You can also move this to the body here. Adjust this to the body here. That is what you have on 4 hours. Jump down to the 1 hour. So jump down to the 1 hour. Let's register to the here. Let's go back a bit. Okay, you can still have that one there. Let's have that one there. On the 1 hour, there was this market came, pushed up. Do you have any close here? Yeah, we have this here. So on the 1 hour, we have our resistance there and our supports. Okay, down here, you can see that. Sure. If it's not clear enough, yeah, we did that. That's our support down there. Jump down to the 30 minutes. On the 30 minutes, what do we have? We have a support here that has just been broken here. Like this 8:30 p.m. candle. There's a support there. And our resistance is up here. So this is what you do. 15 minutes. Let's see what you have. 15 minutes, still the same thing. 15 minutes, still the same thing. So let's use the 30 minutes time frame. And like the 15 minutes, a bit dropping. So on the 30 minutes, this 15 minutes, still the same thing. Yeah, support here. Okay, so let's go back to the 30 minutes. I'm trying to make it a bit fast. Okay, so on the 30 minutes, that's what we have. We're going to move that one there. And our entry would be here. That will be our entry there. Then move this one to the body there. And if you get a candle closing above that level, that would be a confirmation, that would be a signal for a buy. So for the sell, it's already confirmed. This candle has broken below this level here. So you can take a sell from here. I see that's a good sell. And the targets are we have a first target there, a second target there, and then the third target there. For the sales, let's see what you have. Let's see what you have. What do you have? What do you have on the sales? Now that level there. We have another one there. Another level there. And finally have that level there. See what you have on the 4 hours. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Okay, okay. So this is what you are looking at today. This is what you are looking at today. These are areas of points of interest. These are points of interest. It's too close. Let's take this one here. These are levels of interest. These are our levels of interest today. So for the sell, is I would take the sell, short position here. You see the candle has already closed below our level here, so you can even take the sell from here. I'll take the sell from there. Take it all the way down there. That's a risk reward ratio of 2. A risk to reward ratio of 2 is, I told you 2. A risk to reward ratio of 2 is okay with me. So there, let me jump into that sale right now on my phone. Let me set the trade. Sell, sell, stop loss, stop loss 46.13, entry, take profit. Yeah, I'm already in that sale, and I'm willing to push it all the way down here. That is the sale for today. That is the sale I'm taking today. Okay. We have potential price above. Potential says below. Potential sales below, potential buyers above. And we are already in the sell. So for the long position, if the market decides otherwise, so this would be our long position here. This I would get in for a long position, push the market to risk to reward ratio of 2. Can push the market there. Push the market there. And the stop loss just below there. Okay, so by and large, this is what you're looking at today. Remember, you trade what you see, not what you think. Risk management is key. Risk manage your trades well. Keep your emotions out of the market. The market does not care about your emotions. You need to think clearly. You need to see the market clearly. You need to read the candles clearly. See, this was a confirmation. This was our confirmation for a sell. See this candle here, close below this one. Then the other candle began here, pushed downwards, close below, broke the structure here, and close below our potential sales level. So I took the trade from here. I've taken the trade from here. I'm going to push it all the way down here. But first, I would want to see it fill this wicks here. Fill this level up to here. If we get a good break below this wicks here, we get a good break below this wicks here. Let me see. The risk to reward ratio is, yeah. I can take my profit here. But if you get a good break below this level here, I would want to push the market all the way down here. But first, take profit there, 2. Rest forward, 2. I will take my profit there. But if you get a good break below, I want to push the market all the way down here. So guys, this is what you're looking at today. Happy hunting. See you tomorrow for a recap of the same. Remember, today you have some high impact news that we expect are going to move the market. We can even push the market all the way down here. All the way down here. That's an overkill. That's if you get the confirmation. If you get a good break below here, market pushes down here. You get a good break below here, you can push all the market all the way down here. But remember, take your profit. Lock in your profit when you get to these levels here, because the market could reverse any moment. Okay, so that's our trade for the day. That's what you're looking at today. And yeah, so happy hunting, guys. See you tomorrow. Let's do a recap of this trade. Ciao.